Welcome back. Question is, a solar irradiance of 800 watt per meter square is being received. How much power shall be produced by 10 number of PV modules? Rated nominal power of each module is 340 watts. Okay, I hope you have tried your best to solve this question. Now we have two important things in this question. The first one is that the solar irradiance of 800 watt per meter square is being received, okay? And the rated nominal power of each module is 340 watts, okay? Now remember, 340 watts stated in the specs of the PV module or anywhere written like this essentially means that it produces 340 watts only if 1000 watts per meter square of solar irradiance is being received. Okay, that is called STC conditions. So STC conditions are that 1000 watts per meter square of solar irradiance is being received, and the second, the cell temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. Now here we are deviating from the STC condition, and that is the solar irradiance being received is 800 watt per meter square. So actually the power produced shall not be 340 by each module. And how much that would be? Very simple. Divide 800 by 1000 to calculate the ratio, and that is 0.8. So the factor applicable here is 0.8, and if you multiply it with the rated nominal power, that is 340 watts, and the total number of modules is 10. So this comes out to be 2720 watts. Okay, so it shall not be 3400 watts as we calculated in our previous questions. So be careful. We must look for STC condition. So if the STC condition does not exist, we look for how much solar irradiance is being received, and we calculate the factor by which the power of the module will be reduced. So here answer is option C, 2720 watts.